In the Garga Samhita, the sadhana siddha gopis who appeared in Boma Vrindavan, they met Radharani one day. They said, "Oh Radharani, we're here, we took birth as sadhana siddha gopis, we're so fortunate to have your association, and we're hoping to gain Krishna's favor and darshan. Can you tell us what we can do to please Krishna and gain his favor so soon we can gain his eternal service now that we finally attained our Gopi Deha in Boma Vrindavan?" So in Garga Samhita, Radharani said, yes, if you want to please Krishna, you should observe Ekadashi to please Krishna. So even when you take birth in Boma Vrindavan as a sadhana siddha gopi, which is what we're trying to become, by our sadhana we're hoping to get the mercy of the Lord and the devotees and Gurudev, Guru Kripa, Bhagavan Kripa. And that's called Kripa Siddhi. There's Sadhana Siddhi and Kripa Siddhi. But basically it's Kripa Siddhi. Sadhana is activities which attract the mercy. Because without mercy, no matter how much sadhana you do, you can't attain perfection. No matter how many ropes Yashoda collected, she couldn't tie Krishna. Could she? That proves that by your own individual effort, you cannot bind Krishna. She had a lot of prema, Vatsalya prema. And the only thing that can bind Krishna is prema, but not prema alone. If you have prema, you can bind me if I let you, which means I give my mercy. But if you don't have prema, you can never bind me, because I'll never give you my mercy. You understand? And you only get prema if I give you my mercy. Now first I give you my mercy and you get prema. Now you say, "Oh, I want to tie you up." No. You can, if I let you. But if I hadn't given you prema, you wouldn't even have the adhikar to tie me up. So Radharani said, yes, if you observe Ekadashi, the Lord will certainly become controlled. There's no doubt about it. So even there, when you take birth in Boma Vrindavan, do we have to follow Ekadashi up here? We still have to follow Ekadashi? Well, according to Radharani, yes. If you want to please Krishna. Why do we follow Ekadashi here? For what purpose? So we can attain his eternal service. So it goes on and on. I've been doing Ekadashi for 32 years, 32 lifetimes, 32 million years. Then you finally get your Siddha Deha. You take birth over there. And then, hey, are you doing Ekadashi? Up here too. I thought Krishna ate grains. He doesn't fast on Ekadashi. Oh, that's Krishna. Wait, we're not talking. You're not Krishna. Even up here. Oh my God. So then Radharani said, listen, I'm going to give you another tip. You want a special tip? So you make a lot of spiritual advancement with very little effort. I'm going to tell you something. That in 30 seconds, you can get the benefit of 1 year's austerities. So the gopis said, yes. The sadhana said to the gopis, surely Radharani, we would love to have that benefit. Can you tell us? Yes. You please repeat after me the names of these 24 Ekadashis. And if you repeat these names with feelings and devotion, then by just simply chanting these names, which takes 35 seconds, you will get the benefit of observing 24 Dwadasi brats, of fasting on Dwadasi, which is also a very powerful brat. So then Radharani said, listen, sadhana siddha gopis, are you ready? Yes? So please repeat after me. These are the names of the 24 Ekadasis. Utpana, Utpana, Mokshada, Safala, Putrada, Shattila, Jaya, Vijaya, Amalaki, Papamochini, Kamada, Varutini, Mohini, Apara, Nirjala, Yogini, Devashayini, Kamini, Pavitra, Aja, Padma, Indira, Pashankush, Pashankusha, Rama, Prabodhini, then these two for Adhikamas, Padmini, Parama. Then Radharani said, thank you. And she said, listen, Shuniye, Shuno. Anyone who chants the names of these 26 Ekadashis obtains the result of observing the vow of Dwadashi for 12 months. That means you get, simply by chanting these 24 Ekadasi names and remembering Garga Rishi and Srimati Radharani and all the sadhanas to the gopis and praying for their mercy and the combined mercy of Sri Guru and Granga, then in 35 seconds, by chanting these names, one will get the benefit of 24 Dwadasi Bratas. That's mercy. Karunamayi Radharani ki. Hari Bhakti Vilas says, Krsna Swami, when one is performing Ekadasi Jagaran, then you should hear the childhood pastimes of Krishna.